Dear students, welcome to s.mathguru classes. Now we consider some problems about Bernoulli's differential equation. So Bernoulli's differential equation, I recall the formula dy dx plus py equal to q. This is linear differential equation, and if we adding a factor or multiplying a factor on right hand side, y to the power n. For this factor, we get this is Bernoulli. Name of this equation is Bernoulli. If this is absent, then this will be linear. So this is Bernoulli differential equation. On right hand side, xy mix up. Then if it is Bernoulli, then we divide both sides by y to the power n. Here we get right side x and y. Xy mix up. For y square cos square y, we get this is Bernoulli. So we divide both sides by this. Solution, we divide both sides by cos square y. X sine 2y by cos square y, this is x cube. And 1 by cos means sec square y. Dy dx x sine twice y, this is 2 sine y into cos y by cos square y, this is x cube. And this one sec square y dy dx plus x twice x, 1 cos cancel, sine by cos we get tan x, we get tan x equal to x cube, we get this one. Now we putting tan x equal to z. If we this is tan y, if we differentiate tan y, we get sec square y, this one. So let tan y equal to z. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get this one. If we write directly, then this will be sec square y dy dx equal to dz dx. We get this one. Now putting this value, this will be sec square y dy dx means we get dz dx. dz dx, and this is 2x, this one z, tan y means z equal to x cube. So obviously this is linear differential equation. Linear differential dy dx py equal to q, where p and q are functions of x only or constant. So this is linear differential. Y means z, dz dx, this is p and this one q. So if it is linear, then we have to find integrating factor, which is linear. Now if integrating factor, this is e to the power twice x dx, and actually you have to write p dx, better to write p dx. Next this is e to the power 2x dx, this is 2 constant outside, integration x dx, this is x means x square by 2 and this one x square. We get integrating factor equal to e to the power x square. Now we have to find general solution. So therefore required solution is y into if. Here y means z into integrating factor q into if dx plus c. Z means tan y, we get tan y, and if means just we get e to the power x square, e to the power x square. Q means x cube, e to the power x square dx plus c, we get this one. So this will be 10y e to the power x square, and we can write in this way, this is x square e to the power x square x dx plus c. So x cube we write x square and x, ultimately x cube we get. So let x square equal to already z taken. Next we consider u. If we differentiate both sides with respect to x, then we get twice x dx equal to, I have written directly dz x dx equal to 1 by 2 du. X square, if we differentiate with respect to x, then twice x, and this is du dx multiply left hand side, we get this one, and x dx means this. Now putting the value, so this will be 10y e to the power x square, this is z, not z, this is u e to the power u, this one 1 by 2 du plus c. 1 by 2 is constant outside, u e to the power u du plus c. And if we taking bypass formula, then ultimately we can write, if we are taking bypass formula, then we get e to the power u du minus integration d du of u e to the power u du into du plus c, we get this one. So this will be 1 by 2 u e to the power u, this is 1 du 1, this is e to the power u du plus c, and this is 1 by 2 u e to the power u minus e to the power u plus c, we get this one. So this implies 10y into e to the power x square, and on right hand side e to the power u taking common, then 1 by 2 u minus 1 e to the power u plus c, and this is e to the power x square 10y 1 by 2 u means x square, putting x square minus 1 e to the power x square plus c, and dividing both sides by e to the power x square, we get 10y equal to 1 by 2 x square minus 1, this is cancel, c e to the power minus x square, and this is the final answer. This problem is most important to the power infinity, most important. So this is most important problem. If Bernoulli is given, then this will come in your exam, most important problem. So this is the recurrent solution of the given problem. This problem, 1 by 1 plus y square dy dx plus 2x tan inverse y equal to x cube. We have to solve this, and this problem is that if we differentiate tan inverse y, we get this result. So initially consider this is z. Let tan inverse y equal to z. We differentiating both sides with respect to x, then we get this one. And if we write directly 1 by 1 plus y square without showing the chain rule, we get this dz dx, we get this one. Now putting this value, we get, first we rewriting this problem, dy dx plus twice x tan inverse y equal to x cube, and this value we get dz dx twice x z this is x cube. So tan inverse y means z, this is x cube. So obviously this is linear differential equation. dy dx, here y means z, p x equal to q, which is linear. Linear means which is in the form of dy dx plus py equal to q. Here y means z, p means twice x, and this is q means x cube. Now if it is linear, we have to find integrating factor, e to the power p dx. P means twice x dx. So this is x square by 2, 2 cancel, we get x square. Required solution. Solution is y means z into if, q into if dx plus c. Z means tan inverse y. If means e to the power x square. Q means x cube. E to the power x square is if dx plus c. We get this one. And we write this x square e to the power x square, and this is x dx plus c. Now we consider, let x square equal to u. Another variable, substitution method. So this will be twice x dx equal to du. X dx equal to 1 by 2 du. Now putting the values, x square means u, this is u to the power u, and this is 1 by 2 du plus c. We get this. And so this implies e to the power x square tan y, tan inverse y, and this is 1 by 2 taking outside, u e to the power u du plus c. And the last problem, we solve this e to the power x square tan inverse y. If we taking by parts formula, directly I want to write this formula because first problem it was shown. This is e to the power u plus c. We get this. If we taking by parts formula, ultimately after calculation we get this one. And this one e to the power x square tan inverse y 1 by 2 x square minus 1 e to the power x square plus c, dividing both sides by e to the power x square, then we get tan inverse y 1 by 2 x square minus 1 c e to the power minus x square, and this is our final answer. Very easy solution, very interesting. This problem, and first a divides both sides by right side y to the power 6, x by y to the power 6 dy dx, y to the power 6, then y to the power 5 x cube, and dividing by x also, 1 by y to the power 6 dy dx, 1 by x, 1 by y to the power 5, this is x square. If we dividing by x, then this x cancel, this 1 by x, this is x square. So let 1 by y to the power 5 equal to z. If we differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get this one. And if we write directly minus 5 by y to the power 6 dy dx. Without showing the chain rule, we get this. And this implies dy dx equal to minus 1 by 5 dz dx. We get this. And putting the values here, this is 1 by 6 also here, 1 by y to the power 6, 5 taking right hand side, we get this. And 1 by y to the power 6 dy dx means this is minus 1 by 5 and dz dx 1 by x, this is z, this one x square. Multiplying both sides by minus 5, dz dx equal to minus 5 by x and z, this is minus 5 x square. If you multiplying both sides by minus 5, then this is cancelled, this is minus 5 by x, this is minus 5 x square. So which is linear? Which is linear? Linear means this is in the form of dy dx plus py equal to q. Here y means z, p means this one and q means this one. Now if integrating factor equal to integration e to the power p dx, p means minus 5 by x dx e to the power minus 5 outside dx by x minus 5 log x and e to the power log x to the power minus 5, this is x to the power minus 5, this is 1 by x to the power 5. 1 by x to the power 5 we get integrating factor. Required solution, solution is z into if integrating factor equal to q into if integrating factor dx plus c. This implies z means 1 by y to the power 5, 1 by y to the power 5, if means 1 by x to the power 5, q means minus 5 x square into if means x to the power 5, x to the power 5 dx plus c. We get this one. So this implies 1 by y to the power 5, 1 by x to the power 5, this minus 5 outside, this is x square cancel, 1 by x cube dx plus c, this one. But you know this formula, integration dx by x to the power m minus 1 by m minus 1 x to the power m minus 1 plus c. So this is minus 5 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 x to the power 3 minus 1 plus c, and this is minus minus plus 5 by 2 x square plus c, 1 by y to the power 5, 1 by x to the power 5. Multiplying right hand side by x to the power 5, y to the power 5 equal to, if we multiplying, then 5 by 2 we get x cube c x to the power 5. We get 5 by 2 x cube c x to the power 5, and this is our final answer. Final answer is this one, 5 by 2, 1 by y to the power 5 equal to 5 by 2 x to the power 5 plus c x to the power 5. This is the answer. Now let us consider some homework. You have to try yourself at home. Solve x plus y plus 1 dy dx equal to 1, and answer is this: x plus y plus 2 c e to the power y, x square y minus x cube dy dx y to the power 4 cos x, and answer is x cube y cube into 3 sin x minus c, and cos x dy dx plus 4y sin x equal to 4 root y sec x, and answer is this one. So try it yourself and send me in comment box what is the answer, whether answer is correct or mistake. Then give me the comment. So dear students, these are very interesting, very simple, very easy. Linear and Bernoulli's are very easy solution. Problems also easy, solution also easy. These are nothing. So I hope you are all enjoying with me. If you are all enjoying, then please like this video. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.